toothpick got on fire.
More, it looks like.
Huh?
Down needs more on that other side. Oh, oh my gosh. Look. Oh my gosh. There you are. There's my, oh my gosh. There's my little friend. This is the third night in a row of seeing this guy. Holy cow. This is crazy. Third night in a row. Same-ish temperature, same-ish time of night. 3 times, same exact same American toad. Bufo americanus. I think we are friends. We're officially friends. Comes back every single night. This little guy. So cool. It's like having your own personal pet, but not putting it in a cage or anything, just letting it roam free, and then it comes back every single day. It comes back to see me. It's so awesome. It's so amazing. Whoops. I'm gonna get a look at the top of it, what it looks like. And it just hangs out here, and I'm sure it'll come back the next several days as well, but it's really cool. Wow. So until next time, that's so awesome. Until next time, until we meet again, thanks for watching, and hop soon.